If you think tofu is boring, this will change your mind. This is one of my go-to tofu recipes when I want something quick and comforting.
So good.
Yum. It's spicy, savory, and comforting. The tofu is perfectly coated in that rich sauce, and every bite is full of flavor. This is definitely going into my regular rotation. If you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to join this channel by hitting subscribe. It will help this little kitchen to grow. And if you are feeling generous, give me a thumbs up so that more food lovers like you can find it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next delicious video. Have a beautiful day and happy cooking!